Top 10 foods that heals fatty liver. Number 1. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale and other leafy greens are high in antioxidants and fiber which can help reduce fat accumulation in the liver. Number 2. Avocado. Rich in healthy fats and antioxidants, avocados can help reduce liver damage and improve liver function. They also contain compounds that may help lower cholesterol levels. Number 3. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is a healthy fat that can improve liver enzyme levels and reduce fat in the liver. Number 4. Nuts. Almonds, walnuts and other nuts are rich in healthy fats, fiber and antioxidants that can help improve liver health. Number 5. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries and raspberries are packed with antioxidants that can help protect the liver from damage. Number 6. Garlic. Garlic can help reduce liver fat and improve liver function due to its sulfur compound. Number 7. Turmeric. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects that can help protect the liver. Number 8. Lentils. High in fiber and protein, lentils can help support liver health and aid in weight management. Number 9. Grapefruit. This citrus fruit is rich in antioxidants and vitamin C which can help protect the liver and reduce fat accumulation. Number 10. Apples. Apples are high in fiber and antioxidants which can help support liver health and detoxification.